Hi guys, welcome. Guys, do you still remember when Musa was calling Khumalo Ingav? Hey guys, when somebody is done with you, you no longer serve a purpose. Manje, you gonna have names. Khumalo Uingav. Uti yini ungayithemba ekhulunywa kimakhumalo. What does that mean, guys? Utenjalo. Uti yini ungayithemba ekhulunywa kimakhumalo. Uti Makhumalo is not what you think she is. When we are together, we nyavu. Hey! Guys, you know why Makhumalo was angry? Makhumalo was very angry. I could see Makhumalo, even the tone of her voice. Makhumalo was very angry. The reason why Makhumalo was angry that day is because, according to the way I see things, Makhumalo was angry because, by the look of things, Musa and Makhumalo, they usually have their talks together. Maybe even if there is going to be a meeting between our fathers. I think Musa used to discuss the agenda with Makhumalo. Maybe Makhumalo used to say, you must say this, you have to say this, you must address it like this, like that, like that. That's what I'm thinking, and it looks like that. So, the time that Makhumalo was lapayana etafuleni, Musa now didn't remember that yena no Makhumalo phela, they usually have their own caucus ekamereni. So Musa is taking out the fact that Makhumalo, when they are together, Makhumalo uyingavu, Makhumalo, people shouldn't think that quiet, akekho quiet, uthi yini ewugayithemba ekhulunywa ke Makhumalo. Guys, that one yona I don't understand even up to today. So Makhumalo was angry that, this one siyahlala siyakhuluma siyahleba. Today he's telling people that mina ngiyungavu and mina when we are together ekamereni ngikhuluma too much. But Musa is very wrong. Wrong because everybody knew, even though it was a harsh thing, everybody knew that Musa always gossipa no Makhumalo baya khuluma. You remember that word here, delusional. Yeah, everybody knew that baya gossipa and all that. But all of a sudden, Musa uyamhlaza in front of abanye abafazi. Musa was wrong in that. But Umaqele was happy. Guys, did you see how Maqele was happy? Maqele was so happy that Musa and Makhumalo are on each other's throats. She was so happy. She was very happy. She was so happy about it. And one other person that I didn't understand why she was trying to call Makhumalo to order is Makwabe. Remember, Makwabe said to Makhumalo, Uti, Tobile, ne? There is a time that Utobile was trying to intervene in their matter. The time that they went for a family vacation, and then Umakwabe didn't want to go and sleep with Umtombeni. So Utobile was trying to intervene. Tobile was trying to intervene, and then Umakwabe said to Tobile, when I talk to Musa, I'm talking to my husband. Ngicela ungasifaki in things that you don't understand and in things that you don't know. Mina ngikhuluma nomthombeni, it's my husband. You understand? Amphoqa. So Tobile was supposed to ukuthi amtshela ukuthi thula, ngikhuluma nomthombeni is my husband. Why do you have to come and call me to order? You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, so Musa threw Makhumalo under the bus. On a serious note, he threw Makhumalo under the bus. Athi uMakhumalo uyingavu. Guys, yazini, don't ever trust anybody in this world. Don't trust a person. You better trust ilitshe. As for a person, yazi umuntu uyajika la ekhoneni. Makhumalo thought Musa is at her corner. Musa thought Makhumalo is at her corner. Kurkhona manje ne? They just changed on each other like there's no tomorrow. Guys, thank you. Let's meet on the other video. Bye.